All right, should be kind of obvious what we're doing. I'll be honest with you, I'm a little bit nervous. You hear that? And now it looks like my fire is going out. That's not great. Probably gonna have to fix that. All right, so get our hives ready to go. Saw a couple of deer over here this morning when I was looking over this direction. Oh, there's a wasp. Okay, the frame's in here ready to go. Get out of here, wasp. Get out of here. It's for bees. All right, I think I'm gonna have to go get my fire restarted. So I'll be right back. All right, got some flame and smoke now. Hopefully it'll stay lit. So we got these two nucs. Oh, there's a bee. Oh, there's a bee. They're about 10,000 bees in each. They're very heavy. Looks like they're ready to go. We better get them moving along. Okay, here we go. Well, I seem to make them madder, not calmer. That's not great. We're gonna do these one at a time. Well, they sure do seem awful mad. I sure hope I can calm them down. Okay, so we want to put them in the same way they're facing. Okay. I don't know where my hive tool went. Crap. Well, that's unfortunate. Well, I had a hive tool with me. Hi, guys. Everybody stay calm. Everybody stay calm. Okay. Goodness. Oh, this is heavy. I'll be honest with you, at the moment I kind of just want to get them in there. I just want to get them in there and don't really want to inspect them much. They sure do seem awful angry. Oh, this is heavy. All right, this has got brood in it. Lots of bees, lots of bees. Lots of bees. All right, we're gonna slide this other frame in. And now comes the scary part, where we're going to drop them in there. Put the inner cover on. Watch out, bees. Watch out, bees. Watch out, bees. Oh, I think I got one or two. Sorry. Well, it's a little bit scary. Ooh, these bees don't sound as angry. Maybe they won't be as angry. Locust. Oh, I'm sorry. Apparently some of them didn't make it. Yeah, so each hive has its own personality. And that the more aggressive they are, then the more they defend their hive. Oh, geez. It's definitely a little disconcerting hearing all the buzzing of 20,000 bees. Oh, ooh, this got a lot of honey in it. Ooh, that's full of food. All right, good job, bees. You know, I'm thinking about this suit as being bee resistant versus bee proof. You know, like you can have water resistant and waterproof. That's pollen. Not much brood so far. Hopefully we got some brood in this one. Brood is your new incoming bees. Yeah, that looks like cat brood. I didn't see any larvae, but I'm not looking for a queen at the moment. I ain't got that kind of confidence in time at the moment. Get out of here. Got a locust trying to catch on. All right, here we go. Get inside. All right. I don't think I'm gonna throw this one. I'm gonna let these ones find their way. Okay. Let's look and see if this has got enough room for the honey. Sorry, sugar water. This is 1 part water, 1 part sugar. So it said they only needed about a ½ inch to go in and around it, and then it looks like we got that. We will see if they eat it. I think I'm gonna leave these here. I don't know. I should do that or not, but okay.